Hello and welcome to QuantPy. We have been seeing some lovely mathematics and some colorful graphs, but it is time we played a bit. In this demo, we are going to show how to use an interactive tool on the QuantPy website to visualize the Vasicek distribution. Please visit quantpy.co.uk, then go to the basket section and select the Vasicek distribution. Let's assume the average correlation is 10%. The average PD is 5%, and the LGD is 60%. That's all the inputs that we need. Next, just click the button. Here is the output. The first chart shows the probability density function of the Vasicek distribution. The x-axis represents the loss rate and the y-axis, its density. The second chart shows the cumulative distribution function, which essentially gives the probability of the loss being less than the value shown on the x-axis. The next section then shows how the density and the distribution will change if you vary the input parameters. You can see that increasing correlation spreads the distribution and fattens the tail. Increasing the PD shifts the distribution to the right. An LGD has a similar impact. Please try to play with the tool by changing the inputs to get a feel for how the distribution is affected by the three parameters. And if you happen to be watching this on a rainy afternoon, then you might want to click here to see the mathematical derivations. This might also be of interest to the pacemakers who would like to go through the mathematics at their own pace and end up discovering more, such as the CDO pricing. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next.